Hi, Diamond. Hey. Hi, Leonard. Hi, Kia. Hello, Donovan.
Hi, Mr. Wells.
Hi. Hi, Shania.
Morning.
Good morning. Hi, Deanna.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Zayden. Hi, Lindsay. Hi, Bonnie.
Hey, Mr. Weiss.
Hey. Hi, Bishop. Hello, Crystal. Hi, Walter. Why do nurses like red crayons? Sometimes they need to draw blood. What would the Terminator be called in his retirement? The Exterminator. What did Tennessee? The same thing that Arkansas. My wife asked me to go get 6 cans of Sprite from the grocery store. I realized when I got home that I had picked 7 up. Good morning, Andrea. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use a honeycomb. Why do some couples go to the gym? Because they want their relationship to work out. What do you call an angry musician flipping someone off? A songbird. What's the most detail-oriented ocean? The Pacific. Did you hear about the kidnapping at school? It's fine, he woke up. How can you tell it's a dogwood tree? By the bark. All righty. Anyone have any new exciting news for a Friday? All right. Today we're going to do yet something else very easy. Very, very easy. We're going to continue with logarithms. And it's going to be another easy day. But we're going to start with another recall. I need you to remember, hopefully you've done this before. If you haven't, it's all right. Okay. So how do you write these as fractional exponents? The third root of x squared is x, oops, x to the 2/3 power. In other words, this number goes here, and this number goes here. That's how it works. Okay. This would be n to the 5/4 power. It's the same thing. Okay. What's this? If there's nothing written in the root, it's assumed that, of course, it's square root, right? And this is a 1. So the square root of a is just a to the 1/2 power. Can I have a thumbs up if we're good so far? By the way, good morning, Jaden. Good morning, Stalin. Good morning, Chase. Good morning, Anaya. Thank you, Shania, Leonard, Diamond, Giovanni, Lindsay, Bishop, Walter, Chase, Anaya, Stalin, Lindsay. Thank you, Leonard. All right, good. All right. So this, for example, would be y to the 3/2, right? And this would be m to the 4/7. Okay. All right. Bernard, good morning. Welcome to my Algebra 2 class. Good to see you. All right. So keep that in your mind. We're going to come back to that in a bit. All right. So if I say expand using logarithm properties, all right, here's all we do. Good morning. All we do is this. And I'm just going to say, this is just one of those things that you just do it. I don't want you to worry about why or how, just this is what you do. This is how you do it, all right? Log x to the 5th over y to the 2nd is written as log x to the 5th. Since it's divided by, then we use minus log y squared. Now, the finishing touch is that we do this. We bring the exponent over here. The exponent over here. So your final answer is 5 log x minus 2 log y. And that's it. This is all we're doing. Okay? We're just rewriting this guy like this. Next. Here, so here it was divide, it's minus. This is times, so it'll be plus. So in other words, this will be log x to the 4th plus log y to the 5th. Finish. 4 log x plus 5 log 5 log y. Done. Seriously, that's it? Seriously, that's it. And I promise you, this kind of problem does not get any harder. I just need you to see and understand and do. Actually, I don't even need you to understand it. Just do it. Can I have a thumbs up if you feel like, yeah, I can do this? Thank you, Shania. Thank you, Deanna, Bishop, Diamond, Andrea. Thank you. Leonard, thank you. That's it. Nobody else? Bernard, you'll find out that I ask for thumbs up to make sure you understand what I'm doing, okay? And thank you, Bonnie. All right. Next. All right, here, log 5x to the 4th is just log 5 plus log x to the 4th. And now there's nothing to do with this guy, so that's just part of our answer. Log 5 plus 4 log x. That's it. There's no real rhyme or reason to this. This is what we do. So don't complicate your life. Just move the exponent down in front of the problem and be done. Okay? Log x squared y to the 5th. I'm even going to skip that middle step now. I'm just going to say 2 log x plus 5 log y. Done. Okay. Seriously, are we okay here? Can you handle this? This is like it's so easy. It's like it doesn't make sense that I would even have you do this, right? Deanna, thank you. Shania, thank you. Vonnie, thank you. Bishop, thank you. Come on, not just 4 people. Lindsay, thank you. Andrea, thank you. Chase, Bernard, Anaya, thank you. Good. Stalin, good. Thank you. All right. Again, log 9x to the third. Once again, I'm just going right to the answer. Here we go. Log 9 plus 3 log x. Done. I know, just give me the assignment, right, Weiss? I know, hang on there. Here, I'm going to go right to the answer. Ready? 4 log x, since it's divide, it's minus 7 log y. Okay. Uh-oh, here we go. All right. Square root, what? All right, I'm just going to rewrite this. Watch. Log, just rewrite this. X to the 1/2, right? Z over y to the third. Ready? So now I'm just going to go right to the answer. Ready? 1/2 log x. Now, since the top is multiply, right? Plus log z. There's no exponent on the z, so it's just log z. But since there's a fraction there, it's going to be minus 3 log y. That's it. That is it. Okay. Sorry, can I have one more thumbs up if you're okay with what happened there? Shania, thank you. Jaden Harris, thank you. Anaya, Andrea, Deanna, Chase, Diamond, Nakia, Leonard, thank you. Hannah, thank you. Okay. All right. One more time. All right. This, in fact, let me just say that this square root of x to the 5th is x to the 5/2, right? Okay. Now, be careful here. I mean, just be careful because since we have the divide, right? I'm going to go ahead and write the answer. Here we go. Ready? 5/2 log x, right? Since it's divide, it's going to be minus 3 log z, all right? Now, let me do this. I'm going to change my mind, all right? On the bottom, right, it's going to be 3 log z plus 4 log y, right? This combination here, because it's multiplied, is plus. But because we have this minus here, you distribute the negative. All right? Meaning that your answer is just this, okay? I'm just going to take the parenthesis away. And that plus there is just going to become minus. And this is your answer, just like this. Okay. Can I please have another thumbs up? Are we okay here? Bernard, thank you. Lindsay, thank you. Deanna, Andrea, Hannah, Diamond, Stalin, Leonard, Shania, Nakia, Anaya, thank you. Bishop, thank you. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm trying to make one that looks hard. I'm going to do the same exact thing. Okay. Here we go. Again, 2 log x, right? Minus, right? Here we have this 3 here and this 5 here. That's y to the 5/3, right? So it's minus 5/3 log y, right? And then it's minus 2 log z. Done. That's it. That's all we're doing here. Okay. All right. So take a look at this. All right. This is easy also. All right. We're going to do the same thing. Okay. Same thing. But this time, we're going to add one more step. It's not hard. We just have to add the one more step. All right. Where log A is 8, log B is -6, log C is +6. Okay, here we go. So first, I'm going to do what we've been doing all along. Okay, so we have 3 log B. Since up top, right, it's multiplied, it's going to be plus 7 log C minus, right, this there, remember, this here is a little 2, right? So it's going to be a to the 3/2, right? So minus 3/2 log A. Now, here's all we're doing. What's log B? Log B is -6, right? What's log C? Log C is +6. What's log A? Log A is 8. It's just like we're substituting for X, Y, and Z, right? We're putting numbers in for letters. It's like substitution. So all we do here is 3 times -6 plus 7 times +6 minus 3/2 times 8. Okay, what does that make? -18 plus 42 minus, all right, you should do, how do you do 3 halves times 8? I would do 3 divided by 2 3 divided by 2 times 8 equals, boom, 12. 3 divided by 2 times 8 is 12. Okay. Handy dandy calculator. Negative 18 plus 42 minus 12 equals 12. I just tried to go really slowly here. The only difference in this problem is wherever it says log A, right? We put in 8. Wherever it says log B, we put in negative 6. Wherever it says log C, we put in positive 6. Easy, right? Can I have a thumbs up? Are we still okay? Lindsay, thank you. Shania, thank you. Deanna, Andrea, Walter, thank you. Diamond, Hannah, Bernard, thank you. Leonard, thank you. Very good. All right. Fabulous. All right. Let me do another example. Okay. Same thing. All right. Do you see here, right here, do you see this third root is for both this and this? So it's going to be 8/3 and 7/3, right? Right? Okay. So here we go. We've got, I'm going to write it out, 5 log C. Now, because of this divide, it's going to be minus 8/3 log A. And I'm distributing the negative, right? It's going to be minus 7/3 log B. Okay. Now I'm going to substitute in -6 for log A, 3 for log B, and 11 for log C. Okay. 5 times 11 minus 8/3 times what's log A? -6 minus 7/3 times 3. All right. Okay. 5 times 11, 55. Minus, I'm going to take my handy dandy calculator. I'm going to do 8 divided by 3. 8 divided by 3 and hit times -6 equals -16. So minus -16 minus 7/3 times 3. Right? I can do it on my calculator, or I can just say, you know what? And it's just going to be 7. Okay. This minus over here, this minus is going to be plus, right? So we've got 55 plus 16 minus 7 equals 64. Done. Okay. Easy, man. I mean, it seems a little silly. I know. I know. If you would like to take a picture of this, I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to go ahead and take a picture. Okay. All right. I'm giving you like, I think it was 4 of each of these. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. 4 of these, 4 of these, 4 of these. All right. Seriously, this should take you at most 5 minutes. Okay. What is this? This is going to be log, and you have to type log, L-O-G, log, and just hit 9. You don't need space, just log 9. All right. Since this is times, it's going to be plus, right? 3 log x. That's it. Okay. Yes. That's it. All right. Here, same thing again. Log 8 plus, and seriously, if you try to hit the space bar, it's not going to let you. It's okay. Just rock and roll here. 3 log x, right? Done. Yes. Okay. Here, right? Since it's divide, it's going to be minus. Okay. Here we go. Ready? 3 log x minus 2 log y. Boom. Yes. Easy, man. Same thing, right? Same thing. Log 5 plus 4 log x, right? Okay. Log x minus 2 log y, right? Okay. Next one. All right. Here we go. This looks hard, right? No, easy. Here we go. Ready? 5/3. Remember, 5, hit the fraction bar, boom, 3. Hit the right arrow, or you can just click to the right, log y, right? Minus, right, 3 log x, and then it's going to be minus, right? 4 log z, right? Done. Easy. Okay. All right. Here we go. Same thing. Okay. Looks really hard, right? No. We're going to do 3 log z. Since on top it's times, right? So we're doing plus 5/3, right? 5 fraction bar 3. I'm going to hit my right arrow to move my cursor. Boom. Log x minus 2 log y, right? That's it. Done. Yes. Okay. One more time. Log x, right? I'm going to distribute the negative, right? It's going to be minus 4 log y minus 2/3, right? 2 fraction bar 3. I'm going to move my cursor out to the right. Log Z. Seriously, really? Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then the third set of problems is just this, all right? This one you probably have to write out, okay? So, wait a second. Okay. All right. So we've got, right, 1/2, oops. I'm gonna write this out first. I'm gonna write 1/2 log B minus 7 log A minus 8 log C, right? Instead of, wait a minute, sorry, I need that B right here, right? Instead of log B, I need -2. 1/2 times -2 minus 7, what's log A? 4 minus 8, what's log C? -8, okay? Half of -2 is -1 minus 7 times 4 is 28 minus -64. All right, so I'm just going to type it in the calculator, right? -1 minus 28 minus -64 or plus 64, and I get 37. Okay, 37. I got it wrong. What did I do wrong? Okay. What did I do wrong? I got that right. I got that right. $35. All right, wait, let me type this again. I had that right. I have -1 minus 28 plus 64, right? -1 minus 28 plus 64, 35. I don't know why I got 37. Maybe I think I forgot to put the negative on the 1. All right. Okay. All right. I think you get it. All right. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to do it. All right. Do the assignment. Seriously, take 5 minutes, get it over with, and then have a good weekend and say no to drugs. Okay. So tell me when you're done so I can say have a good weekend to you. Okay. Go. And of course, as usual, I'm here. Ask me questions if you have a question. Okay. Bernard, Delta Math. we got to sign you up. Have you ever done Delta Math before? Okay, so thank you. Here's what we do. All right. All right. I'm gonna have you do me a favor, Bernard. Here, let's do this. I want you to click on that link that I just gave you there, deltamath.com, okay? And share your screen. You know how to share your screen with me? Click on that green share screen button there. And I'm going to talk you through what I want you to do. Okay. Beautiful. All right. So go to create account. Yeah. And click on student. Click that. Yeah. Okay. My access code is, click in there and type 227384. Okay, see how my name comes up there. Now click select and go to sixth. Yeah, good. Okay, go ahead, type your first name where it says first name. Okay, that's gonna happen sometimes. Go back to create account. Okay, and yes. Okay, now see how it's already there. All right. Okay. And then your last name. Okay. Now, what I'd like you to, I want you to make up, that's fine. If you want that to be your username, that's good. That'll work. Type it again under verify to the right. Yeah, the same exact thing. That's it. Okay. Now I want you to type I'd like you to use your computer password at school. All right. If there's one that you like better, fine. Okay. Type it again. Obviously, I can't see your password. I won't know your password, okay? All right. Now you might, okay, that's okay. Just everything's still there. Yeah. And there you go. Here's what I need you to do. Don't scroll for the side. Don't do that. You're gonna keep losing it, okay? Can you use the down arrow on your keypad to scroll down? There we go. Okay, good. Now click OK. Now go ahead and sign in. Just type the 235767. Okay, and your password. Log in. All right. Now, do you see in the blue? All right. Oh, by the way, you see in the orange down below, that's what we did on Tuesday. So you'll need to do those too. All right. Don't worry about all that. That's all the red is last quarter. So you're not going to worry about that. But right now I want you to do what's in blue here. There's 3 sections. See, so it doesn't really matter which one you do first, but go ahead and click on that first one, expanding logarithms. There you go. So now you do it, right? Go ahead and go to the answer. get in the box that says answer. Oh, there you go. There you go. Type your answer in there. Plus, right? Oh, no, 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 no. Remove that, yeah. It's just plus 4 log x. Click submit. It's always going to say, are you sure? You click yes. Boom. Okay, so now you see how you have 1 out of 4. You have to get 4 out of 4 correct and then move on to the next section. So once you have all basically 12 out of 12, you'll have a 100%, bada bing, bada boom, and there you go. Make sense? There you go. All right. You're welcome. So as soon as you're done, just say, Weiss, I'm done. And I'll be like, okay, great. Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. And that's how we roll. One more thing I'm going to tell you about, Bernard, is I have a YouTube channel, okay? What I do is with every lesson, I download it to my YouTube channel. So for example, you weren't here on Tuesday, but you're going to need to do that assignment. So I want you to click on my YouTube channel after you're done here and watch the recording. You have to, I mean, I have a bunch of videos on there. So I want you to click on the one that says Logarithms 1 and watch that recording so it can help you do the lesson or the assignment in Delta Math for that one. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, good. And if you can, maybe click on it and just make bookmark my my YouTube channel. So if you'd rather just do it later, then you can do it later and you have my channel bookmarked in your browser. Hello, Abby. All righty. So either you'll need to watch the recording and do your assignment later, or maybe try going to Delta Math and see if you can just click give up and see what happens. Just see if it'll show you the solution. It's really easy, but you have to see what they want you to do first.
Mr.
Okay.
Weiss,
Okay. Yes, Bernard, talk to me.
how do I make this make a fraction on it?
Oh. Okay. So what's the fraction? Is it like 5 over the
One
name?
half.
1/2. So type 1, and then you have a slash key, a fraction key. It's under the question mark next to shift on your keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
Type that after you type the 1, and you'll see it, the fraction bar will come up.
Okay, thank you.
Did it work?
I'm about to try.
Okay. By the way, after you do that, you need to type the right arrow on your keyboard to move your cursor to the right of the fraction.
Oh, it worked.
Okay. Did that work?
Move my keyboard or the half fraction.
Both.
My keyboard's in the middle, but
I-
yeah, I did.
You got it to work. However you did it, you got it to work for you. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Yes. Stalin. You know what? Let's do this. Will you share your screen and I'll just talk you through the problem that you're on right now? Oh, okay. You know what? Here, I'll change my mind. Let me do this. I'm gonna I'm taking a picture of the problem. I'm going to stop sharing and I'm going to share my screen now. Okay. Okay. You've got wait, did I share my screen? I'm not sharing my screen. Hold on. Log A equals -2. Log B equals -5. Log C equals 4. All right. So I'm just going to write 6 log B plus 3 log C minus 3 log A. Are you okay with that much, Stalin? Okay. So now 6, instead of log B, I put in -5. 3, instead of log C, I put in 4 minus 3. Instead of log A, I put in -2. Okay. 6 times -5, -30, plus 3 times 4, 12. Since I have minus, I'm just going to say plus 6. All right. So -30 plus 12, that's going to make -18. -18 plus 6 is -12. Right? Did that make sense? Let me know if it did not. Well, let me know if it did, actually. Okay, good. All right. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Mm-hmm. I'll be right back. Deanna, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. Stalin, have a good weekend. Say no to drugs. All right, gang, I'm gonna end today's meeting. I know you'll get your stuff done, but get your stuff done. Finish it up so you don't have to worry about it, all right? Have a good weekend. Say no to drugs.